I am Dr. Cynthia Warrick. I am the first female president of Stillman College in its 145-year history. I am a pharmacist and health services researcher, and I've been working in this space for almost 20 years. I think it's important to connect undergraduate students to research in health services, to epidemiologists, to NIH-funded training programs and opportunities. And so in order to be able to do that, people like me who know a lot of researchers, I need to be able to introduce them to the institution, introduce them to students. I form advisory boards so they can participate and interact with students, so students know what is a health services research. What kinds of problems do you solve? Why is it important? Why is this something I should consider as a career? And then I'm very proactive. So when I see a student who has the skills, who's very interested in this kind of work, I connect them firsthand. Students of color need people to know that they're wanted there, that they're supported, that they can excel, and they need funding. And that's the big key. The fact that most undergraduate institutions, biology is one of the largest degree programs, is because everybody wants to be a doctor, a nurse. A few want to be a pharmacist like me, but most of them want to go to professional school because they don't know about health services research or other opportunities in the biomedical sciences. And so we have to do a better job of really doing outreach to expose these students to those opportunities. And the best way to do that is connecting them directly to researchers who really want to have students of color in their lab. In addition to making the connections between the researcher and these undergraduate students at HBCUs and other minority serving institutions, it's important to get those models that have attended an HBCU and have gone on to excel in a graduate program in public health or biostatistics or other areas in health services research, to come back to those institutions and really talk about their experience, talk about the research they're involved in. So I think it's really important that we provide exposure and opportunities to connect these young people to ideas of what's possible.